Today we are going to perform experiment on wind turbine. So this is a horizontal axis wind turbine. You can see this is the rotor. Okay, motor is placed here itself. So all assembly is on the top of the tower. That is the ground level. On the top of the tower, everything is placed as we have already studied in the theory. Okay, so in the lab, this is our turbine and this is the artificial wind we have created. So we will drive this table fan and table fan will act as a driver. So this wind will drive the turbine. Okay, so it will start rotating and at the output it will generate the voltage. So we have connected this output cable here. You can see this cable we have connected to the wind turbine kit. So this is a kit where we have connected the inputs from the wind turbine. Okay, so I'm just measuring voltage across it. So this is a voltmeter which is connected across this. Okay. So one by one we will take the readings by varying the speed. So for speed variation I don't have any speed adjustment in this fan. Therefore I'll do one thing, I'll vary the distance so that speed will get varied and we can observe the change in the wind speed. So you have to make the observation table as wind speed 1, wind speed 2, wind speed 3, wind speed 4 and wind speed 5. And with that wind speed, what is the corresponding value of voltage that you have to observe. Okay, so this is a driver fan, considering it as a natural wind, and this is a turbine. Okay, so let us say this is a wind speed 1. So voltage generated you can observe here. It is 2.3 volt. It is in between. So speed is varying. Just a sec. 3. Okay, you can take the voltage as 3. Now we will change the distance. You can observe. Okay, okay. So this is your another reading at a different wind speed. So it is 2. Now again I will vary the speed. So it is 1.8. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay. It is 1.8. 1.8. Next, one more last reading. I am again changing the speed. I am trying to vary the distance of a turbine from a natural wind so that I can vary the speed artificially. You can take down the reading as 1, 1.2. Okay, 1.2. So here we have completed the effect of wind speed. So if wind speed decreases, power power extracted from the wind has been decreased. So this is what we have studied today. Thank you for today.